Birthday to you, you're 102. You still go to preschool and you miss your mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Are you going to sing?
Happy birthday to nobody. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you're silly.
Say happy birthday to Grandpa.
Can you just say happy birthday without your finger in your nose?
Say happy birthday, Grandpa.
Mommy, you have to say happy birthday 2 times at a time.
Yeah, that's how you sing the song.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you.